This is Review Unit 2B. We called it 5. Same thing. Proportional relationships is what this unit is about. So the cartographer, which is a map maker, is making a map. He knows the distance between two cities is 600 miles. When he makes his map, he puts the cities 6 inches apart. What is the scale of the map? So he says 6 is to 600. Which then you would write 6 inches equals 600 miles. And then you would simplify to 1 inch equals 100 miles. Kelly is 56 inches tall. Her friend is 42 inches tall. Kelly's shadow is 24 inches long. How long is her friend's shadow at the same time? Here is Kelly, 56 inches tall with a 24-inch shadow. Here is her friend, 42 inches tall with you don't know her shadow. You do know that it's going to be smaller than 24 because 42 is smaller than 56. Set up your proportion. So I did, this is new. And this is old. New over old equals new over old. 56 is to 42 as 24 is to x. So height of people, shadows to the people. To solve, I do 56 x equals 42 times 24. Because when I have to get rid of a divide, I have to multiply both sides by x. And when I have to get rid of a divide by 42, I have to multiply both sides by 42. And so x is 18. Okay, if y varies directly with x, and y is 10 when x is 4, what is x when y is 12.5? As soon as I see the word varies directly, I'm going to say y over x equals y over x. Then I'm going to start filling in. Y equals 10 when x equals 4. What is x when y equals 12.5? And make sure you put them in the correct place. So then you have 4 times 12.5 equals 10x. And x equals 5. Total of the soccer practice, 180 total. Here I have little small groups of 9, total little groups of 9. So I'm then going to decide how many 9s are in 180. And so how many 9s are in 180, and there are 20. So I have to multiply the girls group by 20 and the boys group by 20, which means 80 over 100. And how many girls are there? And the girls are in the denominator, so 100 girls. Draw a dilation of the figure using a scale factor of 2. Scale factor of 2, 2 is larger than 1, so it's an enlargement. Is it enlargement or reduction? Enlargement. And and it's about the origin. So I'm going to do A, and I'm labeling it 1, 1. And to get A prime, I multiply it by 2. So this is A prime. And then I label B, and B is 2, -1. Therefore, B prime, multiplying both coordinates by 2, is 4, -2. And that's B prime. C is -2, 0. So C prime is -4, 0. And then I just connect my lines. Okay, solve for x. Best way to do this is if you see these are a big triangle and a small triangle, and I would take the time to pull them out of each other. Y'all are making some mistakes on these. So here's the right angle, here's the right angle, 9 and 12, x and 28. Okay, so y'all are making some mistakes on this because sometimes you're picking up not even part of a triangle. So to be careful on this and to make sure you do it correctly, pull out the smaller figure from the larger figure. Okay, new, old. Doesn't matter who's which. I just do it to keep it so I can write new over old equals new over old. So 9 is to x as 12 is to 28. 28 times 9 equals 12x. X equals 21. And then I can check this because I can say 12, 28, there's some 4s, so that's 3/7. And if I put 9 over 21 and I take some 3s out, there's 3/7, and they are the same, so they are proportional. Given the points, dilate using the scale factor of 2. That just means multiply everybody by 2. And is it an enlargement or reduction? Because 2 is larger than 1, it is an enlargement. 2 times -2 is -4. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. -1 times 2 is -2. -4 times 2 is -8. The number of baskets Nikki can make varies directly, there's that word again, with the amount of time she spends making the baskets. She can make 5, so y equals x, y over x equals y over x. I'm going to walk through, and it's baskets and time. So she can make 5 baskets in 2 hours. How many baskets can Nikki make? So we want to don't know baskets in 10 hours. Here you can see that this is 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 5, x would be 25 baskets. I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to do a page per video.